It's Fun Story Factory time. Are you enjoying all the books? Are you watching them on Fun Story Factory? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Well, today we're going to be reading Tom Trump and the Cup, and it's written by Chris Thornton and illustrated by Phil Thornton. Every book is different and every book has a different message. This one is a little bit different to everything else, and it's all about a little boy called Tom Trump, and he trumps too much, so he has a problem, doesn't he? Should we find out what happens? Shall we begin? From time to time, everyone trumps, but you have not heard trumps till you have heard Tom's trumps. I don't know when it started or if it will ever stop. Tom's bum is the problem. He trumps an awful lot. Can you see Tom is very embarrassed with his rosy cheeks because he's made a big trump? Tom's trumps are as loud as a huge jumbo jet, as loud as an elephant if you had one as a pet. Can you see the trump coming from the elephant's bottom as well? They say it's as noisy as a huge jumbo jet. If you ever heard Tom's trumps, you'd know, you'd feel the earth shake from down below. You'd feel your house rattle and hum, that massive noise coming from his bum. Tom's trump can even rattle the house. Can you see the house shaking? But one day when two of the footy team weren't well, Tom got a call from Mr. Coach McShell. Can you play substitute in a cup match we've got? Thanks for asking, said Tom, but I'd rather not. He's a bit embarrassed, isn't he? Tom has been called to play in the football team because some of his friends have had injuries and hurt themselves. Coach McShell begged and pleaded with Tom. Look, we've lost Bob and Pete and John. So in the end, Tom did say yes and said he'd try his very best. Saturday arrived and the whistle blew. Tom felt a trump had started to brew. The crowd cheered and let out a roar. Somehow Frankie Adams had managed to score. Can you see Tom's team have scored a goal and everyone's so happy? It was a brilliant goal and now they were winning. The crowd, McShell and Tom were all grinning. Tom and his coach were very happy. They've scored a goal. But can you see Tom is trumping? Not long later, the opposition scored too. A super goal. Tom let out a boo. Boo, boo, because the other team had scored a goal. When the other side scored a goal, Tom said boo, boo. The score was tied, 1-1 near the end, so on his super sub he sent. Tom passed the ball with a flick of his foot. Everyone laughed at the sound from his butt. Everyone was laughing because Tom was trumping while he was playing football. The ball came flying over from Jay. Tom stuck out his bottom right in the way. At the very same time, his bum did a trump and off went the ball with a noisy big thump. Can you see Tom did such a big trump, the ball went whoosh into the air. It flew through the air at 1,000,000 miles an hour and came back to Earth with some real fire power. Can you see the alien holding his nose? He's saying that's a very smelly trump from Tom. ball whizzed past the keeper and into the goal. Tom's trump was so powerful it made a big hole. So Tom was a hero, a legend at school, and from then on everyone thought trumping was cool. And they're all sending out the newspaper and they're all saying, "We are the champions." He helped them win the cup, didn't he? Can you see? That was a fun book, wasn't it? Very short and sweet. Did you enjoy it? See you again soon.